Hello everyone. So recently I came across this question, what risk did you do today? And it got me thinking, like, if you ask that question every single day, right? Deep down you kind of know what you have to do each and every day to improve. And you know that that thing that you have to get done that day was a necessary catalyst to, propel your life forward. And recently, this question has just prompt me to just think about that question more on a daily basis of like, you know, if you ask that question every single day, you'd get very far in life. And one of the things I started doing was like, creating this YouTube channel. I've always wanted to create a YouTube channel, but I never gotten around it. Or maybe the better thing about it is like it's always an excuse. And that question of like, what risk did you take today, kind of propels me forward in a direction that I want to be in. And it kind of tells me like, hey, this is the thing that you have to do today. And one of the other things that kind of got me thinking was that I do want to improve this YouTube channel into making something great so that a lot of people can learn from, or whatever information or knowledge that I have, I can share. But the other thing is that, especially like today, right? This format of video is not usual to the ones that I normally make, where I just do a lot of charting and stuff like that. And I do want to expand this YouTube channel into something that is concrete. And having that question, what risk did I take today? I knew that this is what I had to do for today to improve the YouTube channel. And I think that applies to almost everything in life, right? It's like constantly asking that, and like having someone ask that for yourself. Like, imagine if you have a friend, right? You just have a friend just constantly ask you, what risk did you take today? Both you and your friend would move very quickly through life in terms of like getting to the goals that you want to. And I think that's something that I kind of want to set up with, me and you, like as a subscriber of mine. I do want to have some sort of accountability on my part in terms of like, what risk did I take today? Can I improve this YouTube channel? And hopefully this video can inspire some other people to think about like, hey, deep down, you're supposed to do that one thing to actually improve your life. And I do want to be there for people as much as people are there for me, keeping me accountable while at the same time, everyone around me just also improving their lives. So I think that if we can all help each other, then that'd be great. And constantly asking that question every single day, what risk do you do today? What risk did you take today? Would be very beneficial for both parties. So yeah, I mean, like, hopefully you found this video helpful. If you do, just give it a like and subscribe.